Welcome to English Harmony. In today's video, we're going to learn some simple words related to elections. Vote. I will vote for the person I like. Leader. A good leader listens to others' ideas. Election. The election helps people choose a leader. Debate. We will debate the new idea tomorrow. President. My dad wants to be president one day. Mayor. My mom wants to be the mayor of our city. Campaign. She is campaigning to become mayor. Speech. I listened to the speech carefully. Election day. Today is the U.S. election day. Candidate. There are many candidates in the election. Count. Let's count how many people are here. Loser. The loser got fewer votes. Winner. I want to be the winner next time. Polling station. I go to the polling station to cast my vote. Ballot. I put my vote on the ballot. Results. We are waiting for the election results. Majority. The majority of people support the blue team. Polling booth. I use the polling booth to vote in secret. Promise. He promises to make the city better. Podium. The speaker stands at the podium. Polls. The polls show that the blue team is winning. Right. Everyone has the right to vote in the election. Thanks for watching.